Is the euro about to rally against the British pound, or is a sharp drop just around the corner? The EURGBP currency pair is at a critical tipping point, so let's break down the technicals and see what the charts are telling us. The dominant story right now appears to be bullish. Multiple analyses point to a strong, established uptrend. We're seeing classic bullish chart patterns forming, including a potential cup and handle, which often signals that buyers are gearing up for the next leg higher. On top of that, some are looking at this through the lens of Elliott Wave theory, suggesting the pair is in its final upward wave after completing a brief, healthy correction. The key message from the bulls is that any dips are being viewed as potential buying opportunities. The critical zone everyone is watching is the support area between 0.8640 and 0.8650. This is being described as a strong buyer protection zone and a key cluster of support. Many are looking for the price to hold here before moving higher. If this support remains solid, the bulls are targeting the 0.8700 level, with some more optimistic projections reaching as high as 0.885. One successful short-term trade already showed a bounce from around 0.8650 up towards 0.8. However, it's not a one-sided story. There is a counter-argument for a significant drop. Some analysis suggests a sell-off from current levels, with very ambitious targets far lower, aiming for 0.83 and even 0.82. This would represent a major reversal of the current uptrend. For this to happen, the price would need to break key support structures. The line in the sand for the bears appears to be the 0.8600 level. A decisive break below this point could trigger a much larger sell-off and invalidate the current bullish scenarios. So, what are the key takeaways? The overall sentiment is cautiously bullish. There's a strong focus on the major support level around 0.8650. Most analyses expect this support to hold, paving the way for a move towards 0.87 and potentially higher. But it's crucial to be aware of the bearish risk. A firm break below the 0.8600 handle could quickly change the entire narrative and put sellers in control. In conclusion, the current situation is a classic battle between trend continuation and a potential reversal. Watch that 0.8650 support level very closely. A strong bounce could confirm the bulls are still in charge, while a breakdown could give the bears the opening they're looking for.